Yo, what's good everybody? In the last video, I discussed the hardscape, rebuilding the waterfall, and the hideaways. In this one, we're gonna build branches from PVC. Let's get it!
Day and night, on my grind, I pay the price, pay the price, pay the price. Yeah, boy, I pay the price. Go with the flow of the dome and just flow. Go with it, go with the flow and just roll with it. I done did it by myself and I count for nobody else. No, I done did it by myself and I count for nobody else. Go with the flow of the dome and just flow with it. Go with the flow and just roll with it. The investment in this game, my blood, sweat, and tears. Living with no fears, my progression over the years.
Today, we're gonna make a tree from PVC pipes. Starting with a big mixing container, I poured in 1 bag of jungle mix. Starting with a 3-inch PVC sewer drain that connects to 2 inches. I took one hand and filled it with 100% silicone, then rubbed it all over the outer part of the PVC. Once fully covered, I buried it into the jungle mix, then rotated it periodically. This is for the cross shape at the very top. Then I brought over the 3-inch PVC pipe that will act as the trunk. Do the same process, but in sections. As I was doing this, it hit me. It would have been a lot better to sand the PVC first. Oh well, I'm knee deep into this now. If it come out too blotchy, I'll just have to redo it. Then the 2-inch PVC pipes that will act as the branches. Same process. Then I did the same thing with the 90-degree elbows. I'm using this 5-pound metal flag base that I'll be bolting to the 3-inch PVC pipe. Cutting a hole into the pipe on both sides by tracing the hole on the base. Once cut, I test fitted in 5-inch eye bolt that will go through the PVC base and then the other side of the PVC, then lock it with a bolt. Perfect, but it's a bit wobbly. To tighten it up, I'm going to use a 2-inch by 1 foot PVC between the base and the 3-inch pipe using the same method. After, slide the 2-inch pipe onto the base and confirm bolt fitment and line up. And drop on the 3-inch pipe and completely lock it into place. Now to add the arms. It is a bit blotchy, so I'm doing some minimal patchwork. Now to add the elbows. Then to the extending arms. As you can see, the arms are not secure. I'll fix it later. Not bad, but it's still too blotchy. My best bet is the cover now. But for now, I'm adding some green to give it a mossy appeal. In the meantime, I'm creating vines with this tether. cut several pieces and did the same process as the PVC pipes. Afterwards, I hung the cure. Now I'm adding fake leaves by cutting holes into the pipe and just inserting the stems. The stems are wire-based, so you can bend in any direction you want. Real dope. Don't worry, I have a plan for them arms. Now to fully secure those pipes, I'm using PVC Cement. It's a two-part application. Roll on the purple stuff first. Then you roll on the yellow stuff 20 seconds after. This stuff works fast. So once you place the pipes with a firm hold, after about 15 to 20 seconds, it's permanent. Doing this for all portions of the arms. Okay, I feel good about the rigidity of the tree now. Let's finish up the faux leaves. Simple holes, insert wire stems, then the same to the opposite side. Okay, it's coming along. Not the most attractive, but we getting there. I'm taking this 3-foot high potted faux plant and cutting it out of the pot with my loppers. Then I'm cutting a hole into this 3-inch PVC cap and taking the cap and dropping it into the opening of the top. Then I'm dropping in the stem base of the faux plant into the hole of the cap. Then taking some styrofoam and breaking it up around the base of the plant to keep it in place. Now to take my black gray stuff expanded foam and fill around and on top of the styrofoam and around the base of the plant. Very methodically. After curing, it's time to bring the tree into the cage and placing it. Using some flat stones to weight and anchor the base to secure it in place because I am on the outer skirts of the Windy City. Remember those vines? Let's bring them in and wrap them around the arms of the tree to make it more jungly. Oh, I never mentioned it, but that log right there, I found it in a forest preserve and let it sit out in the dry summer heat to self-bleach. I brought it into the cage a few days before. Using string faux leaves to wrap around the trunk area. I believe we there now. Now to stain the outside. I chose this redwood color because it matches my pergola. After staining, let's top coat with a urethane sealer. Now to add the handles to both doors. Then I'm adding latches that connect from the cage to the stand. I chose these because I can attach locks when needed. Back to the hides. I switched out the other totes to a more sturdier set. The lids and totes are now more durable for the elements. I'm putting in wood chip bedding for the hides and soaking them with water for temporarily cooling purposes. That's it for this installment, but check out the last and final video of this process, as I'll be adding the plumbing for the waterfall and basin to see if cilantro and cilantro like the outdoor getaway. But now, y'all take care out there and holla back.